good, YouTube? It's your boy BJ.
And Tahleia, and we back with another Billionaire Way. Today we have a vlog, just a daily vlog for y'all. We gotta go get some shirts and stuff to make. We got like a batch of 20 to make, so we're just gonna take y'all with us today. And whatever else we decide to do, wherever we decide to go, y'all will see. But this is just a vlog.
Day in the life.
Day in the life. So we about to head in the car and head up this road before the store closed, and we don't hit y'all back.
What?
They said I have to get in the bathroom.
I be in the loop. She be in the group.
I be in the group. He be in the loop.
Feel good out here, y'all.
It do.
Camaro looking good.
I be in the loop. He be in them groups. Y'all, my hair is gonna mess up. By the time I get back home, my hair is gonna be fucked. Because of the humidity. Yep, they right around the corner from each other, so. Y'all, guys, we appreciate the love on our studio reveal. We worked so hard on that. So, yeah, we appreciate the love that we have gotten.
Still got more to put on there.
Still got way more to put. We still got to put a little tip,
Some little essentials.
Right. We gonna put some blue curtains. I think I told y'all that, but I'm not sure. Blue curtains, LEDs for show, because I know everybody probably like, I need some LEDs. The LEDs gonna be in there. Tune into our Instagrams because y'all will see more videos like that. Go to BJ Instagram, WBJW00.BJ_ and go look at our new reel that we just dropped. It's funny, y'all. And it's relatable as fuck.
Who want a keyword?
Nobody. Y'all, this car be having my hair everywhere. And we got a little ride, actually. That. So we're gonna get y'all back when we get to the store. Okay, you guys, we are back in the car. We went to our first store and we went to our second store. We got bag. We got another bag.
It started raining outside.
Yes, it started fucking raining, bruh. Look. Randomly. Like, let me show y'all how it looks out here.
It went from 100-something degrees to pouring down raining out of nowhere.
Like, out of nowhere, like,
Georgia was bipolar.
telling you. We over here trying to run from the rain. Hold on, y'all. I had to check on the GPS because this man right here, he like to go wherever, don't you?
Yeah.
He just make up his own directions. Okay, you guys, we just made it in the house. My hair, I told y'all how my hair was going to look at the end of this video. I told y'all, so go back to the beginning. But y'all know, it's super dark outside. It's raining. It just really...
Just look ugh.
Right.
I was like... We still got to work. We got to make shirts.
Right.
We still got to work. We still make shirts. Hey. Still got to work. We still make shirts.
The only good thing is that we don't have nothing else to do, so we could do these shirts all night if we feel like it. We still got tomorrow, but yeah, we finna chill a little bit. We're not gonna barge. It's so dark in here, y'all. Let me get some lighting ready for y'all.
Oh, the Wi-Fi.
Yay! Yeah, so, bruh, I know y'all probably gonna be like, did she just get hype on Wi-Fi? Yes. Our apartment complex we stay in, it basically it's community Wi-Fi, so we all on the same Wi-Fi, and it's free. Well, it's out your rent, so it's not free, but it's free. But we decided that we wanted to get our own, what's it called? A modem? Love, it's called a modem. Our own modem Wi-Fi so our videos can upload faster, because every time we go to our folks' house, like I go to my mom's house, when he go to his parents' house, the videos be uploading like this. We literally be waiting so long, so it's hard for us to meet our scheduled time with this trash Wi-Fi. So we got our own modem. Look at the box. It's a plain box. I'm telling you, the video's gonna be coming through fast. Hey. Well, we about to set up this modem and hit y'all back. My mechanic right here.
You did. What you got there? You know, food, y'all, it was good. If y'all seen the last little clip of the food. You vegan, man, so. I'm finna tell Tahleia, let's go get some ice cream. Why she gonna jump up? I'm supposed to go get some apple pie stuff. She gonna jump up out there. She gonna go crazy. Hey, love. Hey, let's go get apple pie and stuff.
Okay.
You ready? You wanna get it for real? No, let's go get it. What you gonna do? Say what? I don't care about you fix your hair with this. Bruh, let's go.
Boy.
10 minutes. Let's go. She ain't gonna not pass that challenge if I do that to her. That 10 minutes little prank thing, challenge, whatever it is, she's not gonna make that. But I get back at y'all, we'll get to this. We're ready to go. We're at the store, y'all.
Yeah, we got Publix.
Publix.
Sitting in the car for like...
Publix. What we finna get?
Bluebell.
You like bluebell ice cream.
Switch it up and get natural vanilla bean, or should we keep it the same?
Whatever you want.
No, stop saying that. Should we switch it up or no? I feel like you don't want to switch it up.
Which one you want?
I know what you want, y'all.
Man, it don't matter to me.
Yeah.
It don't matter to me. I like eating ice cream. Ran up a silly chick.
And guess what? Don't get on us. We like this.
Yeah, we like
We don't have to make apple pie. Flaky or regular? Flaky. I like this.
Mr. Smith?
You want to switch it and get?
Nah, come on.
We haven't got Marie in a while.
But last one we got was Mr. Smith's, right?
Every single one we have got since the first two was Mr. Smith, Mrs. Smith.
Mr.
But we
not just play. We can stick with the.
We started off with Marie, so don't ever forget where you came from.
I ain't forgot where I came from now.
I'm telling you, don't.
So what else you want?
I'm just making sure that's it.
Well, I think that's it.
That's all. You showed it in the burger. I only got 2 things.
Ice cream and apple pie. The best combination ever.
Some wine, but
The best combination ever. The best combination ever. I don't know.
okay, just get right here. We must only got like a few.
I don't know where no line at.
Everybody here.
Everybody in this.
I
And
think it's 'cause they
line.
probably only got a few with me open.
The best combination ever. Apple pie, ice cream. No lie. No cap, no lie.
Except for homemade.
Homemade what?
Apple pie.
You never even tried homemade apple pie. Nobody even cooks apple pie.
I know.
Apple cobbler. Oh my god.
I don't know about that.
Oh my god. Apple cobbler. I'll be in the loop.
I haven't had that.
Apple cobbler is the best ever. I never tried it with the ice cream, but hey, that shit probably gonna be hard.
Sure.
Hard too.
This is my first time seeing public with all these lines.
So we got the apple pie ice cream.
I was gonna ask you, did we not look like we was like standing in line?
I thought we for sure. I thought we was standing in line.
I thought we was right there. Do we have to be all close up on somebody's back if they paying and stuff?
No, we can't look at their credit card still, right?
Alright, I just had to make sure, y'all. But yeah, I was lying.
Are you in line? Like,
I was.
so what you gonna do about the black phone situation?
I wonder if we can y'all think we could buy a black phone? Like rent it? Because if it costs less, I will make that stoop a movie theater. If it costs less than going.
No, we gotta watch them big screen.
We do. We still got a big screen. Apple pie and black phone. It say $20. It is cheaper than a movie theater.
$20. I can do $20.
It's $20 on YouTube, it's $20 on Apple TV, and it's $20 on Amazon Prime. Versus $40 in the movie theater. But we can, because I feel like it's a good movie, but I feel like I don't have to really see that on the big screen. But that Beast movie, I got to see that on a big screen. Like, I have to see that Beast movie on a big screen. Like, that don't look, bruh. That don't look good. And the Nope movie, I don't know. I can't remember the commercial, but it looked like it was good because I remember what's his name, Jordan Peele. I remember his face, and any movie he in is good. So.
And dramatic. But I guess people like dramatic stuff. So.
But y'all, we may or may not either go to the movies or have our own movie night. We really should just. To save money, even though we don't give a fuck we don't care which one we do. We can go. We can go, or we can stay home. Either way, money gonna be spent. So that's how we really look at it nowadays. If you're gonna spend money either way, just go ahead and go do what you're gonna do. But we might watch it at home. We might rent it, watch it. Some apple pie. I was about to say buy snacks,
yeah, we
but
probably do that, bro.
Okay. I was about to say buy snacks, but we don't even snack.
Alright, we don't snack.
We got the apple pie ice cream. I got the fruities and my peanut juice. That's all we need. It's some lemonade.
We straight on it.
We straight on it.
We gonna sit there and watch the black phone.
Right, we could do the little thingy in the living room again if you want.
What?
Like we be taking our mattress topper. Well, not we be doing that. We just now really thought of this because I had family over. Like take our mattress, our memory foam mattress topper off our bed and put it on the floor. Just
sleep on the floor.
Yeah.
Don't forget where you came from. Now.
Never. We'll always do that. Always get the topper. So when we running out of room, because I had really all my folks over and we got the studio room, but the futon. They too tall for it. The couch, but only 2 people can fit on there. So that memory foam don't even feel like you on the floor. You know it because it's so flat, but you don't feel like you on the floor. But yeah, we try back when we get back in the house. Y'all, we just made it back home. Even though Publix is literally like 5 minutes and 2 minutes in the Camaro. We about to rent black phone instead of going to the movie theater. And we're gonna eat some apple pie and ice cream and snacks. Y'all, Toot is usually at the door. He must be in the window. He gotta be in the studio.
What do you preheat this to?
400. What I say? What? Can't play too much on my phone. Copyright. The quick way this time. Monetize you and get copyrighted fast. So stop using other people's music. Stop it. Y'all, we're probably just gonna hit y'all back when the apple pie is done. Cause it gotta preheat and it still gotta cook, so.
Okay, y'all, the pie is done. And we got the ice cream.
Yep. My hair is a mess.
We're finna watch the movie, y'all.
Yep. I don't know which app we're gonna watch it on, but we'll see.
What you got Amazon Prime? Video or something like that?
Yeah, and we got free Apple TV. Don't we? Anyways, we about to figure out what we're gonna watch this movie on. We about to set everything up, get a piece of this pie, get a scoop of this ice cream. Scoop literally, because we got an ice cream scoop. But y'all, we're gonna hit you with that. Say hey to 2. Okay, you guys, this is the end of this video. Make sure y'all
like, comment, and subscribe. Turn that post notification bell on so you won't miss no video we gonna post.
Not now video.
Not now, another. We got our bed out there.
Oh yeah, got the topper out like we showed y'all. We gonna watch the movie.
Y'all seen the apple pie ice cream already.
Right.
Look hard.
Facts. But we hope y'all enjoyed this vlog, just showing y'all what we was doing today. And be prepared for more and more and more billionaire bangers. And yeah, we about to be out, watch this movie, head to bed, and get to working in the morning. Peace.